Hey everyone, if you've been on the internet recently, you would have heard of the new FLUX.1 model. This is a new AI text-to-image generation model, and it's taken over the internet for a number of reasons, but mainly for its ability to generate images with really crisp text that actually follows your prompt. So in the past, when you tried to generate an image with text in it, something like this, where it says, let's make some really pretty stuff together. If you put that in your prompt, the generated image will have the text showing up as a jumble of mess, like it's unreadable. So this new model came out of a lab that's not OpenAI or one of the really big players, but is really, really good. You can sort of type in prompts with text, and 9 out of 10 times it will generate the image with the text in a very legible format. So this is just the Black Forest Labs website. Very simple. They've just got a couple of images on here, and you can see that the output quality from this model is amazing. Now, there's plenty of videos on YouTube talking about how to prompt this model, like comparing it to old models, all that sort of stuff. But I haven't seen many videos talking about how to leverage the new FLUX.1 model in your automations, and more specifically within Make.com. So I'm glad to share that the FLUX.1 model is now available in Dumpling AI. So within Dumpling AI, you can use the generate image action. And within the generate image action, we now have support for FLUX.1 Schnell. So FLUX.1 Schnell here is the third one in the 3 variants of FLUX.1. And we will be adding support for FLUX.1 Dev, FLUX.1 Pro, as well as other image generation models over the coming days. But for now, we have FLUX.1 Schnell, and it's sort of completely integrated into Make.com, so you don't need to mess around with HTTP requests or anything like that. Super easy to use. You just come in, type in your prompt. So I might say a picture of a balloon with the words FLUX.1 is in Make.com painted on it. And here we have the different image sizes that we support. You can do square HD, portrait, all that sort of stuff. Let's just go with square HD. We can choose the inference steps. By default, it's just 4, seed, and then how many images or how many variants you want to generate. So keep it as 1 for now. So you just press OK, press run, and what it'll do is it'll use the FLUX.1 model. It's already done. So just go to our images here, look at the URL. Let's open the URL, and let's have a look. Bam. So pretty good. There is a little bit of a typo here, I believe, but amazing compared to previous text-to-image models. Cool. So now we've covered how to use FLUX.1 in Make.com. What can you actually do with this, right? So the most obvious use case here is really just to update all of your existing automations that are using Stable Diffusion or DALL-E 3. So common use case for this, and I've made videos on these, is like a social media use case, right? If you've got some sort of automated LinkedIn posting, Twitter posting build within Make.com, you probably are leveraging DALL-E 3 or Stable Diffusion at the moment to generate images for those social posts. So you can rip those out and replace that with FLUX.1, and you should be able to get much better quality images, as well as images that can now leverage text within those images. You can also use this in your automated blog posts. So you might have a automated blogging system in Make.com, and that usually comes with image generation as well. So you can replace that with FLUX.1. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Support for all the other FLUX.1 models are coming very soon, and as well as other image generation models. If you have any thoughts, questions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. But with that, I will see you in the next video.